Sla Kurdistan. Sla. Everyone, so today we're gonna react into Kurdish music. I hope you're ready. I'm reading out your comments on my latest video of Bana on her newest song Mewe. So you guys want me to review Komsay et Katet Bash. It was highly recommended, so hopefully it's good and I like it. Okay, so let's go and watch it. Great. So let's see who is Komsay. Okay. So it's a girl group. Okay, let me see. It's so the main leader, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. They're pretty. They're really pretty. Excuse me. Okay, so this is different. And I'm liking this because this is not traditional. This is more modern Kurdish music, which I also like. I like all modern mix. This is good. Okay. Okay. Okay, she's good. Okay, she is good. This girl, she is good. Aşkı hoş. Okay. Okay. Who makes you feel alive? Okay, yes, yes. Okay, it's about to drop. Okay. Oh yes. Oh, oh yes. Oh yes. 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 It's a yes. Oh, it's a yes. It's a yes. Oh yes. Come on, give me some in the top. Yes. Oh yes. Oh, I want to make a video with them. Like, I want to be in their video. Olay, olay, olay. Okay, yes. Oh, I love them. I love them. Oh, I like that one. Okay, one. Yes. Yes. Oh, she is the queen. She's queen. I like her. I would love, Haley love to make a song with her. She's so underrated. She's so good. Yes. Yes. This song is on my playlist. I like this song. Who makes you feel alive? Yes, you make me feel alive, bitch. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, it's giving me major TikTok vibes, bitch. Oh, come on, Kurdistan. You know you like this. Okay. The only thing I thought that is 4 girls, but only one is singing. So I don't know if the rest of the group sings, but maybe we'll find out later if you guys want. But the main singer right now, she is amazing. I like her so much. See, you guys have a lot of good music. That's a good song. That's a good song. I do believe she has a good song and she's really good. So I want to listen to her more, but hopefully you guys want. But keep comment down below what other singers. I'm gonna make video as much as I can, but keep comment, bitch. Comment. I will try to get them as soon as we can, but I want to see her more. She slayed that song, period. I don't know what she was saying, only I want to feel the love. Who makes you feel alive, period. I love it. If you're looking for more Kurdish reactions, they're on the screen. Get your life.